What a beautiful day. We want to thank our sister Mona and the kids for just the honor to stand before you guys and the request that she has asked for. So we miss our brother and all of us miss him, but we just know that he's in the best place that we can ever imagine. So we just want to thank you for this time. Let's go, Sharon. Manatu